Hello friends, welcome to Tech Freak. So friends, from today we will start a new series regarding Java 8. So in this series we will discuss about lambda expressions, functional interface, default method, static method and so on. So we start from basic and gradually increase the level. So today in this session we will start how to write a lambda expression and what is a lambda expression. So let me just create a new project. So this is a Java project and I'm selecting Java 8, next, and then finish. So let's start from basic. So let me just create a new interface, create a package like, so let me just create a package com.test calculate and click on this finish. So now create an interface in this. And my interface name is like my function and click on this finish. So now we create a new method inside this like so this method will return the sum of two parameters a and b. So this is my interface, nothing fancy till now. So let me just create a class which implement this interface. Okay, and select the interface. So inside this, let's write some logic. So first we print the two values and then create the sum and then return the sum. So this is my simple implementation of this method which is in our interface my function. So let's call this method. I'm creating my demo class which contain public static void main. So this is my demo class which contain main method. So now we have three things, like first is this interface which contains single method, the second is the implementation class of this, and the third one is the main class. So how we can call this? It's very simple. Basic Java So this is a simple class which call the method of IMPL and provide the value and print the output. So let's just run this. So now the output is perfectly fine. So in Java previous version, we have one more way by which we can provide the implementation of this interface, which is known as anonymous classes. So let's create an anonymous class for the same function. So let me just create an anonymous class. So this is very simple. Just print and give the name as function2. So inside this we provide the implementation. So let me just copy the implementation from here. So this is as simple as this. And now we can simply call this by using function2. So let's call. So now the output is also very fine. So by using anonymous inner class, we simply did all the thing which is handled in this class. So now we know how we can write the anonymous inner class. So we can simply remove this IMPL class. So let me just delete this class. Now we don't want this, right? And now let me delete all the things related to this IMPL. So now we have very fine function. So now we have this simple and plain code. We have interface and we have the anonymous inner class which implement this interface, and we print the output. So now listen carefully. Now we are entering in Java 8. So Java 8 provides us one new way by which we can implement the interface. So the only condition for Lambda expression that the interface must contain only one single abstract method. So only one method is available in my interface. So we can write Lambda expression for the same. So let's create a Lambda expression and see how this can reduce our pain. So for Lambda expression, we simply write like my function provide function equals to. So this is our implementation of the method. So let me just copy all the thing. I copy all the thing and right here. Just remove this override. So this is same method. I just copy this from here. So first thing, in Lambda expression, we don't want this public, private, protected anything. So we simply remove this. And we also don't want this return type. We simply remove this. We don't want the method name itself. We remove this. And now, after parameter, we just put a sign of this and finally provide a semicolon. And that's it. This is our beautiful Lambda expression. We didn't want any anonymous inner class, anything. We simply write this and the output is very fine. So let's just find out the output. So function and provide like function 2 and the output. Let's run this. So our output is fine. So let me just delete this anonymous inner class part so that we can see the code clearly. So now as you can see, the small and beautiful code which is written by using Lambda expressions and nothing fancy there. So let me just change the name so that it will look good. So this is our first Lambda expression. Here we simply implement an interface method which is the sum method in single line. Okay, so we write the parameters, these parameters, and then provide an arrow symbol and the definition of our method, and that's it. So for concept point of view, let me tell you one thing, that our method contains at least 4 things. First is the return type. The second thing is the method body. Third thing, the method arguments. And the fourth thing is the method name. So these are the basic 4 things which every method contains. So the most important things are these 2. The method body, because all the code is written in the method body, and the arguments, on which arguments the whole logic is written. So we can use these 2 simple things and remove all the things. So inside the Lambda expressions, we write the method body and match the arguments. So this is our first lambda, which is very short, and because this is a basic video for first tutorial, we will explain this more in the next video. For now, if you like the video, you can hit the like button, share the video, and also you can ask your question inside the comment box. So this is our first lambda. So if you like the video, you can hit the like button, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.